How do INTJs show love? INTJs are often portrayed as the thinker or logician. They're usually the ones who, prefer logic and reasoning over emotions, even if their emotions are strong. They're often seen as aloof or detached from others and unwilling to express themselves. But we know that this is not necessarily true. INTJs are wonderful people with great hearts. They just have a different way of showing love than most other types, especially feelers like myself. Hey, I'm Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where I use personality type to help you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. INTJs are not like most other people. Actually, they're just around 2% of the population. They don't usually show love by talking about their feelings or planning romantic dates or sharing their favorite movies. Although my brother-in-law did let me borrow his Lord of the Rings trilogy, so I don't know. Maybe that's a thing. They usually show love by teaching you, though. INTJs are driven by this desire to understand the world around them and to do something with that knowledge. They want to implement it. They want to use it. They want to share that knowledge with those around them, especially people that mean the most to them. Whether it's helping you solve a problem at work or finding or figuring out your schedule so you can get things done more efficiently, INTJs are always kind of looking for ways to help you grow and improve by giving you tactics and vision and kind of a mindset to get there. And often this means finding ways to teach you about yourself and help you kind of transform yourself in the process as you interact with the world in a different way. They're unique in the way that INTJs are able to kind of see these patterns and connections in things that are often missed by most other people. Other people just overlook them or ignore them entirely. They'll notice if something's out of place in your life, or even if it's just like kind of one thing, they'll be able to kind of pick it up. And they'll quickly figure out what you need to do and what needs changing so that everything can kind of go back into alignment, even if it takes some time. It's implementing a strategy and a vision for how things can change. In this way, INTJs show love by taking care of those around them with problem solving, with helping other people, right, at work, or implementing these things and finding different ways of making their life easier by bringing in a template or a structure or a plan, or changing how you interact with the metaphor of your life. INTJs again show love by offering their knowledge and expertise to help you achieve your goals, by mentoring you in a way that makes you feel like you're growing and changing for the better, by being there for you when you need them, but knowing when to back off and when you need space. So whether your INTJ partner has just helped you figure out how to ditch a bad habit, or they've taken some time out of their busy schedule to help you with something important, know that it wasn't an easy decision for them, and they may not always be comfortable by showing emotions and vulnerability, even though they can be very open-minded and be very vulnerable if you get to that inner circle. But if you're lucky enough to have one in your life who does this often, then consider yourself to be blessed. And if you want more videos on being an INTJ, you can check out this one over here. Good luck, have fun. Peace. I got a squeaky chair. I got a squeaky chair.